I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing.
So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, today is October the 4th. Tomorrow is my birthday. Okay, I'm so happy. Today my sister, supposedly she made me a cake. We're gonna see how that goes. And I'm about to go to Blue Coast to get some seafood. I know y'all miss me dancing. I'm gonna be back with the dancing. But if you like this shirt, you know, it'll be in the description box below. Okay, make sure y'all support him. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all my outfit. I feel like I look cute in my boots. They from Fashion Nova, and my jeans are from Rule 21, I think. Let's get into it. I'm thinking I'm cute today, y'all. Y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? Let's go ahead and cheer me on because a girl is about to be a year older, okay? Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say, tell me happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tia.
Huh?
Say happy birthday, Tia.
Happy birthday, Tia.
Thank you, Bobby.
One in there
Look at baby
yesterday.
JoJo over there
Closed
drinking.
it down. They got it roped off and everything.
They shouldn't be. This is McDonald's.
They,
Wearing your nose, drinking out a cup.
yeah, they said drive through
Look
on
at those motorcycles.
Say hi to my YouTube.
Me?
Yeah.
Hi, YouTube.
Look right here. Look here.
Everybody's food. Well, everybody can get their food yet.
It's not too hot at Palm County, is it?
Yeah, it probably is. It was kind of hot in my house. Looks so good, y'all. And it was at this moment I knew I messed up for real. Look at my face.
Oh. That was more than a shot.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mimi. Happy birthday to you.
Thank y'all.
Yeah.
When the cake hit you, the cake is. Especially Baby Joe. It's really hitting Baby Joe. So y'all, don't forget to shop. T-shirt line. But anyways, I'm back on here to say I had a really nice night. It was so lovely. Thanks to my sister, she got me a bomb. That cake was good, y'all. It looked pretty. You know how when stuff be looking pretty and it don't even be tasting good. It looked pretty and it was bomb. I'm gonna ask her who actually made the cake, so I'll leave a link below because I think it's somebody from here. And I just want to show my appreciation by thanking everybody that came out. So I thank my dad, Donnie, shout out to you. Okay, I thank my sister Kiana, shout out to you. I thank my sister's fiance George, shout out to you. Now if you watch this and you don't see me shouting you out, George, it's on you. But I want to thank my friend from high school. Thank you for coming because it was so short notice and he still made it, so I do appreciate you. And I also do his hair, so shout out to you, Jared. And shout out to my babies, baby JoJo and Bobby. Those are my kids. Even though they didn't come from me, they still my kids. Those are my sister's kids. But I just want y'all to know that I am very blessed to make it to 29. Like tomorrow I'll be 29 years old. And there's not much I can say. I thank God that I'm still able to get up every day You know, I'm just thanking God that I'm still here, you know, because it's a lot of people that don't get to see 29, you know, and I'm very blessed to get to see that, period. And to have all of my limbs, my legs, be able to speak, you know, have my, you know, common sense, you know, because it's all there still. And you know, I'm just really appreciative, and I really do thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And we gonna ride this YouTube thing till the wheels fall off. So if you ready to ride with me and stay with me, you know, and see content, because y'all, it's coming. I feel it. I pray about it. You know, like when you talk about something so much, you speak it into existence, and that's what I'm gonna do. You know, I keep telling people I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna be big. You know, people don't believe you, but my family, they believe me. They know what's up. You know, so I'll say all this just to say that I am a very blessed individual. I think. Oh, and shout out to my twin. That's my dog. Twin, you my dog. James, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I'm just blessed, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. I know I'm gonna do a lot of rambling. I had 2 drinks, you know. I'm drinking like that, but you know, I need to do something. So, but yeah, I'm just happy. I'm so happy, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. You still watching? Okay, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to wait for you guys to subscribe. Okay, hopefully you subscribe. Hey y'all, today's October the 5th. It's my birthday. I'm so blessed to be alive. I'm blessed to be here. Have all my limbs. I know I said this yesterday, but y'all know I'm just thankful. And today I'm gonna go get some food with my twin and his wife, and I will also do some shopping. Then I'll open up my gifts. So see you later.
Say hey to my YouTube.
Yeah, what's up?
Take your mask off, twin.
Yeah, you know, twins, this is what we do. I would have a YouTube channel, but I ain't got it like that. No, play.
He finally made it, him and his wife. We're gonna wait till she gets back from the bathroom.
She had to go to the bathroom. She can't drive, so we be on
Okay,
time.
here we go. His little wifey. Say hi.
You're gonna put yourself in there. So now I'm about to open up some of the gifts that I got for my birthday. Got this watch. It's so cute. I love it. With a birthday card. It says birthday wishes for you. For today, a perfect birthday for tomorrow. Dreams come true. And for you always, lots of happiness in everything you do. Happy birthday. God bless you. Oh, it's so cute. It's a cute little card. Open up this one. Oh, this is cute. It's so cute. And y'all think I'm not. I'm gonna wear it out too and take pictures in it and everything. Be like who she thinks she is. And this is super cute. I love it. Y'all know I'm a big kid. And this back here. Read the card. This card is from my dad. It says, for my daughter on her birthday. Your birthdays were such fun when you were a little girl. You got so excited about getting presents and blowing out the candles. Now that you're older, birthdays might be a little less exciting for you, but they're a source of happy memories for the people who love you. You're a very special daughter and you're loved more than you can imagine. Happy birthday from my dad. It says love you, Mimi, and my brother Brandon. And I got a little money. Some slide. Then my sister, she know me so well. Y'all like this cup? It's so cute. Y'all know I love my cups. Then this happy birthday Bath and Body Works. Have y'all tried this scent before? I don't even know how it smells. Then I got these black cherry. I never use this either, so I can add all this stuff to my collection. I appreciate my sister for this. She just put me on. This is good. It smells good, y'all. You know when something smells good, you wanna eat it. It smells so good. Let's do it like that. Then of course, Fashion Nova. Y'all know I love Fashion Nova. Somebody been watching my videos. I'm about to cut it open. Y'all see my cute little knife. It's cute. Let me put this back on her because I'm not trying to hurt myself. Okay. Your worst behavior, stack pins. Well, I know they're cute because it's Fashion Nova. Got this. What is this one? Dirty Dreams crop top. This one look cute too. Next to Me mock neck sweater. Y'all notice everything black. Y'all know it's my favorite color. Limited edition legging set. Ooh, y'all, I'm about to do a try on haul for y'all. Y'all already know. You know what it is. Okay, this is another short sleeve tee. Here's the little receipt. Okay. I got some 25% off. New fall. This the code, y'all. New fall. For 25% off, y'all want to use it. Like I said, I'm gonna do a try on haul. Getting over it biker short sets. We got sets. Ooh, this is really good. And these is slow it down, high waist skinny jeans. Slow it down, high waist skinny jeans. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you. Don't turn around. Cause that pretty little thing look good to me. This is a knitted dress. It's so cute too. I can't wait. I know this is kind of pointless to actually, because I'm not opening it up, but like I said, I'll do a try on haul. Ooh, I really wanted this one. Black and red, all the time. This one look cute for real. Yeah, I'm gonna do a try on haul. That will be my next video, y'all. I'm super ecstatic about this. But that's all I got. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye. So I see you watch my video all the way through. I will be doing a giveaway, you guys. So make sure you stay tuned. Continue to watch like you've been doing, and you will know how to enter the giveaway. Thank you, boos. I appreciate y'all.